Now let's look at the current vision, which has to do with the automobile, which has to do with producing of cars, which has to do with acquiring industry and other stuff. What's your vision at the moment? If you're looking at your vision this time around within the automobile industry, what's the vision that we're looking at?
My vision is to make sure we project to the world, we make people know that we Africans can do it and we can do it better. I was reading this old book a few months ago, and it was telling me that 500 BC, yeah, 500 BC, the first car was made in Egypt. Egypt happens to be in Africa, which means it was Africans who did those things. If we were able to do the first car, if civilization started from Africa, why have we been able to sit down or been sleeping all this while for the white man to travel this far where they are now? So, one more, these are the things that motivates me actually. My vision is to make sure that if somebody has been able to, a human being who was, woman's tummy for 9 months, has been able to sit down and design Rolls Royce made by hands and is able to sell a Rolls Royce, which I happen to own one, for 300 and let's say $500,000. Why can't I do the same thing?
Where have you started so far manufacturing the cars?
We've started manufacturing the cars. We have two sections: the ones that are going to be on the commercial scale, and the ones that the handmade ones are also going to be on commercial scale, but that is going to take a bit more time because we're still doing a lot of research into it.
What types of cars are we looking at?
For now, we're looking at pickups and SUVs. Sedans and buses will come later, but for now, the Ghanaian people should only expect pickups and SUVs.
In total, how many are we looking at?
We're looking at producing about 50 a month.
50 per month?
Yeah.
For pickups and then SUVs?
Yes.
Are they standardized?
Very standard.
Accredited by?
We're still working on other things, other paperwork with the standard board. But the company that we are working with, we're using the same standards, and these are world standards. So I believe they're standard, very standard.
Spare parts, where do you get it? Or
we're going to have after sales servicing.
Currently, for the manufacturing of the cars, do you import some of the parts?
Yeah, we have a partner. We have a partner that we buy all those things from.
Has production begun?
Production has begun, but we're only done with the first samples yet.
First samples?
Yeah. We're now going to sit down to arrange even the prices, and official commercial production is going to take off, let's say, by the end of the year.
By the end of the year, yeah. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
What in addition are we looking at? Before I even get there, what has the government response been so far?
So far, we haven't heard anything from the government yet. We are still pushing our moves and talks through certain ministries. So we believe maybe once we keep pushing, the pipelines that have been choked in Africa for a very long time will be open, so that, because this is for Ghanaians, this is for Africans. We need to have a lot of hands helping us on this project because it's a very big project.
What markets are you looking at?
For now, we're looking at the African market before we go global.
Someone may
want to start from Ghana.
So in Ghana, I know you have your phases. I know you've done your research, feasibility studies and other stuff. When do you intend rubbing shoulders with the African countries?
Let's say from next year.
From next
year.
We
need to be very stabilized. We need to put our hands down and our feet on the ground. Let's say by this year. We're doing a lot of work. So from next year going, we'll, let's say, give or take 2 years for the African market.
Well, let me ask. Well, it's a Ghanaian car being produced by one of the youngest entrepreneurs ever. But what makes your car different from others?
With our cars, we're going to add certain specifications, certain customization. You can come in and we can put anything that you want us to put in.
What has been the feedback of Ghanaians?
Over the years, with all the technological expo that we've been doing at the end of every year, people really like it. The feedback is positive, and we're just looking to build upon that.
Do you think that you've...
The only problem people have is they feel the product has really delayed on the market.
That also been my next question. Has the product delayed? Indeed,
It
you did
hasn't
admit.
delayed. You know, with the criticisms that people have about African products, or let me stick to Ghanaian products. We want to make sure that we do a lot of research into our cars or any product that Kantanga wants to bring out before it comes out. So before it comes out, we know that we've tested it.
Do you have any partners outside of the cars manufacturing industry?
Yeah, we do. We have one partner in China.
China, you can name the name. You can give the name specifically.
No, I can give the name, but I don't want it. That's my business secret.
Well, as you rightly know, one of the business I still he's saying that's one of his business secret. But to come to think of it, is that the only thing that you intend doing the cars for now, or perhaps
For now, the cars.
that's your major focus?
That's the major focus.